Hello and welcome to How to Play Agram,
presented by GatherTogetherGames.com.
This video will cover how to play the card game Agram. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 5 players. To play, you will need a 35 card deck. Remove the kings, queens, jacks, twos, and the ace of spades from a 52 card deck. Each player is dealt 6 cards in sets of 3 cards at a time. The remaining deck is set aside for the round. Agram is a trick-taking game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card in the suit that was played first will win the trick. Each round will have 6 tricks total. The object of the game is to win the 6th trick in the round. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 3s being the lowest. The 10 of spades is the highest ranking spade, as the ace of spades is not used in the game.
Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players.
The player right of the dealer will lead the first trick by playing any card into the middle. Player 2 plays the 3 of spades. Play moves right to player 3. Players must play a card in the same suit that was led whenever possible. Player 3 must play the 10 of spades to follow suit. Play moves to player 4. Player 4 does not have a spade to follow suit. If a player cannot follow suit, the player can play any card. Player 4 plays the 5 of clubs. Play moves to player 1, who will follow the lead suit with the 4 of spades. The player that played the highest ranking card in the lead suit wins the trick. Player 3 wins the trick with the 10 of spades. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player 3 leads the 3 of diamonds. Play moves to player 4, and players continue to play tricks until all cards have been played. The player that wins the final trick wins the game. Player 4 has won the 5th trick and leads to the last trick. Player 4 wins the trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit and wins this game. The player that wins the game is the dealer in the next game. That wraps up How to Play Agram.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.